So today we want to talk about home manufacturing, small scale manufacturing, and maintaining production during SHTF, pre-SHTF, and in a post-collapse environment. If you're manufacturing things, you're making small scale production of items, you're doing repairs, there's two things you have to maintain whether you have electricity or not. One of them is you need a mechanical method of telling time. In this example here is a grandfather clock. It uses absolutely no electricity whatsoever, and it is totally independent of any effects from EMP. No matter what happens, as long as you wind this clock up, it will work. Now, the second thing you need to be able to do during small scale production is to maintain temperature. If you're gluing things up, if you're doing refinishing operations, anything like that, you need to be able to maintain temperature. So what that tells you is you need two things. You need a way of maintaining temperature. For instance, a lot of glues don't work below 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Some don't work below 50. If you're doing chemical treatment processes, refinishing, things like that, you may have to maintain items that have been refinished at 70 degrees or higher for several days. This requires a reliable, non-electric way to measure temperature and a way to maintain that temperature, such as wood heat. Now, an interesting side fact of this grandfather clock, this is one of the items that was given to me years ago by T. Townsend Brown. It was his influence why I became a scientist and an engineer. And I'll show you where this clock was dedicated from him. If you know who this person is, you know all about electrogravitics and a lot of suppressed science. If you want to know more about T. Townsend Brown from an actual witness that knew him, leave a comment and I'll do a video on it. Please comment, rate, subscribe. We'll see you on the next video.